Hi, this is Mark Filkins with part 2 of 2. And we already did part 1 of this, Cyclic animation, and this is just, pretty simple here. Basically, I'm going to start this going here. All you need to do is, I did it right already, and you can see here going up and down. I could have made that a little faster, but so it would go up and down a little more, but that's okay. You can also, all you need to do is after you move the cube around like you saw me do, you can go to curve, and you can just go extend mode and then pick cyclic or any one of these kinds of constraints here and play around with it. In my DVD, if you order it, you'll get the it should have the Blender file of this whole setup, and you can mess around with it all you want. You can also do different kinds of modes up in here. Let me pause this for a second. You also can do different kinds of modes up here, constant mode like that, or you can do linear, Bezier, Bezier. Some say people Bezier. I call Bezier. It's Bezier. Correct pronunciation with that. But anyway, and that's pretty much it, and then you just play it, and so you can play around with that. How I set it up. If you do how I told you there, you can get it to go faster, do less frames in between here and here. I did frames too many between there, so it just makes it a little different. You can do all sorts of kinds of things in editing these controls too over there. But I'm going to get into another. I selected the cube now, and you can see all these crazy wild stuff with the cube here, and go back to here, and let's see what we do. What happens there if I do this? Nothing. I think that's just the scale or lock rot stuff. But anyway, it was interesting to play, goof around with it. That's the best thing to do with this IPO curve stuff, is you just kind of come in here, start screwing around with stuff, and you'll mess it up, but that's okay on practicing. It's better to do it now than later on when you're doing something, an animation that you really is important to you. And so you notice that we stopped keyframing here, and I extend it to 100. And this cyclic thing, if I zoom out, we'll just go on indefinitely. And the only reason it stops is because I limit it to 100, in at 100 here. So, but it will go on forever. The cyclic animation with this going up, with this thing going up and down, and then with the cube going as I moved around, it'll just keep going around in circles forever. if I made that cyclic too, that's pretty funny. But anyway, so that should get you with cyclic animation again. If you feel inspired, please go to falconsworks.com. Throw me a couple bucks so I can buy some McDonald's hamburger and cheeseburger or something. Would be great. Anyway, or buy my DVD. Would be wonderful. And or give me some work. Anyway, have a great day, and let me know how your blendering's doing for you. Thank you.